Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Mumbai? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Mumbai. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Wisdom Academy NEET Coaching. Wisdom Academy is considered one of the top institutes in Mumbai for NEET coaching. This institute has faculties who have more experience in teaching and the right qualification. The faculty members are experts in teaching. Moreover, study materials and daily practice tests make the students learn in detail and gain excellence in knowledge. Wisdom Academy is considered as one of the top 10 coaching centers for the medical entrance exam preparations in Mumbai. The small batches or the home tuitions make the staff members focus more on the students for providing counsel to the students. Alright, now let us discuss the contact details. The address of this institute is Star Plaza, 2nd floor, 208 V Chandavarkar Road near Rajmahal Hotel, Borivali West, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400092. Their contact number is 093244755566. At rank 4, we have Informatica Classes NEET Coaching in Mumbai. This institute is regarded as one of the best institutes for NEET coaching in Mumbai. Here in this institute, different types of courses are offered like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NEET, NATA and more with a high success rate. Further, the faculty members are with proper education and experience in teaching, and the staff members are from IIT and other top colleges. The institute provides study materials for the students. Also, live interactions are held with the students to solve the problems of the students whenever they have their doubts. In addition to this, you can also prepare for your NEET exams from home with the study materials provided by the institution. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details and other institutes. The address of this institute is shop number 2, Yashashri Cooperative, opposite Poddar Mill, NM Joshi Marg, Curry Road Bridge, below Bank of Maharashtra, West Mumbai, Maharashtra 400011. Their contact number is 08433429809. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Kalra Shukla Classes. Kalra Shukla has been training the medical and engineering sphere students since the year 1993. This institute works closely with the students belonging to class 11 and 12, motivate them to put in the extra effort each day. The regular monitoring, feedback and interaction belief helps students clear detailed doubts with the staff. Till now, they have spread across 25 centers in Mumbai, Pune and many states of India. Its teaching infrastructure includes 132 classrooms with more than 146 top-notch faculties from the country. The motive to provide quality education to students is their mantra. This institute has nearly opened 25 institutes all over the country. Okay, the features of Kalra Shukla classes are well-experienced faculty. Number 2, well-planned infrastructure. Then excellent course material, and the last one is proven track record with excessive teaching and assessment methodology. Okay, the address of this institute is 2nd floor A block, Harganga Mahal, Khodad Circle, Dadar TT, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400014. Their contact number is 0222-414-5273. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Mumbai. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.